Hey guys, it's Jimmy back here, and today, or maybe this will be a series on my channel. I'm not sure yet, but recently I've gotten into stock trading, trading Ikumochu. I've been trading stocks for like years now, but this is the first time I've used this indicator to trade stocks, and I just want to like put have documentation of like me trading stocks and like my progress. So I'm just going to be going over what happened this week on stocks. And yeah, I'm going to post this on my channel. I've been posting on a different channel recently, but I realized that I'm not getting any views because I don't have any followers. And on this channel, I do have followers. If you guys want to trade stocks with me, I will be giving call outs to trades that I do on this channel. Um, Also some other things that's going on with the stock market. So if you guys are into that, click the link below. You guys can download my code, get a free stock on Robinhood, and yeah, it probably starts out with $6 up to like $50 depending on what stock you get. Just use my link below, and let's get into this. So traded this stock. Made a $10 gain on it. Been trading AIT, which has not turned out too well because I put the call way too high. Which, guys, I'm an options trader, so it's a little different. If we go over to my portfolio today, made $342. Here's some losses. I messed this trade up. I had a gain on this, but then I literally lost it all. So I'm down to what you see right here. So let me click on it for you. Okay, so if you're gonna buy this, it's a contract, so it would cost you $1 because you're gonna get 100 shares of this. So I bought for 25 bucks a piece, or no, $5 each. I bought 5 contracts, so I had 500 shares. I lost $20. Um, that's on Starbucks because I did a too high of a call. Um, what's going on? All right, and GD, that's what I'm trading right now. I accidentally messed this call up too. So I bought GD down here, which that was the plan. I accidentally put this call up here, which I should have just put it right here because it would have been the same price, and I would have been looking at a real high gain. But I messed that up. So make sure if you guys know what option trading is on Robinhood, or if you've done this before, make sure you put the call a little bit lower, like I would say 5 or 6% above the price of the stock, looking for a good high gain. Right now I'm doing long term on FedEx, which literally I believe since it's coming at a pullback right now. Right here, this is a Kumo twist, so it's gonna, like, see right here, it flipped. It's going down in the red. Well, it's gonna flip again and pull up, and I believe it's gonna pull up to like here, maybe here. If it does, you know, I'm looking at a high gain, and if it pulls up way up here, that's even better. All right, now I got my, it's March 18th. They'll tell you when earnings is. If it beats earnings, then we're looking at good profits. Right here, guys, I got a call on GE, which calling GE, you know, it was up $7, so I could have made $3. I'm not really looking for a high gain here. If it goes down to 9, I'll probably look at a $30 gain. If it goes up to 11, I'll look at a $30 gain. But I'll look at a $3 or a $4 loss either way. Either way it decides to go, that's what I'll be looking at. I'll show you guys my weekly. Um, So yeah, I was up a lot more. Um, but for some reason the market wasn't like loading quick enough, so I couldn't get the sell in right here. So I ended up losing $100. That's okay. So yeah, my week has gone. I've gone from 300 uh, to $900. It's been a good week. I've also taken out a lot of my money. So I mean that's what I'll show you guys. Here's the stocks I'm looking at. If you guys want to get in with me, you guys totally can. Just check out the link below. Um, if you want to know more about Ikumochu and how I trade, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I'll probably see you guys next week.